welcome back to Vlogtober Day
7.
Day 7. If you have missed days 1 through 6, I've created a Vlogtober 2025 playlist, and I will link it above and below, and you can catch up on all of the unboxing fun. If you are new, Juliet and I are counting down to Halloween, so we are doing 31 videos in 31 days, opening a gift every day to count down, or gifts curated by the one and only Grammi Die. So we have one gift today. Is this family or for you?
It's for me.
It's for Juliet, so go for it.
There's
What?
multiple
Oh, there's
stuff.
multiple things. What is that?
Oh my gosh, you got me nail polish.
Ooh, is that like spooky glow-in-the-dark type nail polish?
Yes.
Here, I'm gonna hold it up for them. This is cute.
Oh, orange.
Galaxy Glow, and it's vegan. We love no animal cruelty. Okay, so this is like a neon, and then she got like a, is that glittery orange or just an orange?
Glittery orange.
That is cute. I think this glows in the dark. Well, it just says Galaxy Glow. Yeah, glow in the dark. Those
Oh,
are
I'm
so
excited.
cute. Awesome. What else?
Next.
What is that?
It's grape flavored lip gloss.
Ooh. And it's Wednesday. Do you guys watch Wednesday? Have you seen the second season? It's super good. This is so cute. So cute.
Oh my god, I think it's beauty blenders.
I don't know what that is. Oh, like makeup
Yeah.
sponges.
But they're like
They're spooky
they're
ones.
spooky ones.
How many did you get in that?
3. We can share.
Oh, it's okay. I just use my hands. These are so cute. And they're even like in a little haunted house. It's the blending sponge trio. How adorable. Latex free. Wow, you cleaned up. It's so funny how I just put them all on my side.
Heck yeah, guys!
That was a good one.
I can't wait to do my nails.
You should do a day where you like do both colors, like back and get real crazy.
I'm my own nail tech.
She is. She'll like do the fake nails and everything. It looks like she just came out of the salon. She's usually in the bathroom for, it takes a while.
Take it like 2 hours.
It takes some time, and then she comes out and they be looking good. Awesome. Great gifts, Grammy Die. Thank you so much. We will see you guys tomorrow for day 8. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.